Yeah, so we're now going to have a look at some PPE and working zones in an oil spill situation. So obviously the PPE we need to wear, we need to be bearing in mind such things as the right gloves. So in here I'm actually wearing some nitrile gloves, so we could wear those. We could also maybe put some work gloves over the top, which might be something like this, or might be some PVC riggers if we're actually working in a lot of oil and our hands are actually in it. So we could be using the PVC gloves as well, the gauntlets. Moving on from that, we could also be wearing a suit like this over the top of my overall. This is a sort of splash resistant suit and something that we could put on while we're in that environment with the skimmers and recovery equipment. So if we just say that I've put that on now, I'm in the cold zone, so we're talking about zones as we go as well. This is the zone that everything's clean. I've got a welfare unit over here, I've got the toilets over there, I've got the command centre over here. This is all clean, yeah? So I've now kitted up, I've put my gloves on, I've put my PVC gloves on, the suit on, nitrile gloves, we're all good. So I'm now going to walk through this little corridor here, okay? Because everything's good here, I can be going round this side, we're nice and clean, and then I'm going back through into my work zone over here. So once I'm in my zone over here, I'm now in the hot zone. This hot zone could be where the skimmers are. So example, we've got one here, we'll talk about them in a little bit, and this one here is recovering the oil, yeah? So we've just moved it into here. Remember, I've got all the right PPE in, I've got the suits, I've got the gloves, etc. And it's working away, it's recovering oil, everything's covered in black oil over here. Not a nice place to be. So I've now decided that I've done my 45 minutes or an hour stint, whatever the time is that we're going to swap over, and I start working back. So this is the hot zone, yeah? I'm now walking back through into the decon zone, which is here, and that's the warm zone or yellow zone. So I step into here, for example, I have my wellies on, and another member of the team could be scrubbing down my wellies with some of the liquid that's in here and washing it all down for me, so my wellies are nice and clean now. I'm walking through in here, I'm just coming through to here, stepping out, boots all nice and clean. I'm now going to take my overalls off, I'm going to take the gloves off, etc. and step into my clean boots. After I've stepped into them, I'm all nice and clean now, overalls nice and clean underneath, boots are nice and clean, gloves are all off. I'm now going to go back into the cold zone and I'm going to have a coffee and a sandwich. So that's the sort of thing. So the zone system works. Cold zone is where everything's clean, warm zone is the decon area, and then the hot zone or red zone is where the actual work is taking place. And it could be back to that stream scenario I was talking earlier on with you. So it's always good practice to try and think of the zone idea, to use it and implement it. That way we're not bringing oil into clean areas and people aren't then getting back into their cars, eating their sandwiches and oh whoops, that we've just put oil all over the car seats type thing. So it's always a good practice.